not that much space. It's enough for what I need, but there's not that much space. It's not meant to be, you know, working on cars here. It's only a 10 by 20, but I'm making do with what I have. So I think the next couple of videos is probably going to be about me just trying to clear up some space in here. Because if you look here, look, I got like boxes and stuff. I got a couple of 5-gallon drums down there, buckets. And I got my M5 just sitting there, and my helmet doesn't have a home to go. Everything's just kind of laying around. Those are my target stands when I go shooting. So yeah, so my plan is to build 2 shelves in the back here. So like one here, probably about 4 feet wide, maybe a foot, you know, out, and the same thing over there in that corner. So stand there, stand here. So 4 feet wide, probably by, I'd like to do about 8 feet tall. So it's about right there. That's about 8 feet. No, actually that's maybe. Anyway, it's about 8 feet tall, and then put a bunch of wood shelves on it. That way I can kind of pile up all my stuff. I can kind of have my junk corner for miscellaneous stuff, and then another corner for extra car parts. And that should clear up some space. So I'm excited to do that because I've been wanting to just have more room, and I was thinking about renting the unit next to me because right now it's actually available. So you see the green lock on there. That means that nobody's renting this unit out, which is pretty damn sweet. You know, then I can have 2 units. But I think for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna build the shelves. I'll make it out of 2x4 and plywood, and then that way I can, you know, assemble it here and take it down if I need to. So that's the plan. I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah, that's about it. So, later.